Welcome to the FYA Festival here at Farmyard Bruco. I've not finished yet. Right, I'm here to show you everything there is to see. The music, the food, the people, the fun, the beers. So without any further ado, let's do this. I think before we go in, a little outfit change is due. So let's do this. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's better. Now, let's do this. So many great things here at this festival, including the stages, the food and the beers. So we're going to start at the stages and then we move on from there. Follow me. So this is the smaller out of the two stages here, the other stage. And now we're going to go to the main stage. And this is the main stage. Every festival needs food, right? So this one is no different. There's 3 wonderful food stalls and I'm gonna show them all to you now. So let's do this. Take a chance on me. Bun, chicken bun. And the last stop on this food trip it's Pizzarana. This place is amazing. Let's get more beers in. Cheers. And for those who don't drink beer, there's also an alternative. Gin and cocktails. Well, there are so many wonderful things going on here at this festival. And if you feel like all the beer and food and music is simply not enough, you can also create some art with Izzy from Pickable Art. Or design your own t-shirt with Molly from Screen Printing Stuff. Behind you. Get creative. Ooh, did I mention this festival is actually held on a working farm here in Lancashire? And like on any festival, you always get to make some new friends, right? Cheers. Yep, I hear you guys. What's good? Yep. Hey guys, what's on the menu? Well, you've just seen all the beautiful cows that are here, but I think I need some more human connection. So I'm gonna go and find some interesting, wonderful people that are roaming this beautiful land, because let's be honest, I need friends. This is Stevie, the man who's made everything possible and owns everything and is the king of the land. Cheers. And this is Danny, man who runs everything here. Cheers, and thanks for having us, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Thanks for coming.
Cheers. And if this festival couldn't get any cooler, these guys have got a flying machine that flies in the air, like for realsies. And now I've met another friend called Kieran, and he's from the band called
Meatwood Flark.
Woo-hoo! And they're gonna be playing soon, so cheers.
Protect your mothers.
That's it, guys. The festival has been amazing. Thank you, Farmyard Bruco, for having us. Thank you, everyone who made us feel welcome, who made all this possible, gave us beer and food. And all I want to say is, I'll be back next year. So for now, remember, stay hoppy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.